Hello, and welcome back. Who doesn't like to travel? Whether for relaxation, exploration, or just spending time with our favorite people. But traveling can have a heavy climate impact too. In this episode, we want to find out why and how to be smart about it. If we look at all travel emissions, one aspect stands out. You guessed it, flying. But why is this? First, a surprising fact. Per person, the CO2 emissions for an economy flight are about the same as for a solo car journey, around 20 kilograms per 100 kilometers. But that's where the similarities end. On a road trip, for example, I can easily halve my footprint by adding a passenger, or even quarter it by having 2 more people in the back. That's why car sharing is so important. On a plane, you can only increase your footprint. An upgrade to business class doubles your emissions. And with a first-class ticket, it's even 2.5 times more. The potential of ride-sharing is multiplied with public transport. Train journeys, for example, have a light footprint of 4 kilograms, surpassed only by long-distance buses with 2 kilograms. But there's another factor that makes flying a true climate killer: distance. If you don't want to travel for longer than, say, 10 to 12 hours for your vacation, that caps your distance by car or train at about 1,000 kilometers. From this point of view, slower means of transport have an inherent distance protection built in. But for air travel, the distance per time increases tenfold, and so does the climate impact. If you add up these effects, air travel is about 20 times more damaging than a road trip with 2 people, and 60 times worse than a train trip. Often, a single long-haul flight can increase your annual carbon footprint by 50%. On an individual level, there is no other human activity that emits as much over such a short period of time. So, what does this mean? Here are a few action tips. 1. Plan fewer trips to different places. Instead, stay longer in one place. 2. Discover what's right in front of you. People on the other side of the world dream of visiting places that for you are just a stone's throw away. 3. Set a budget for how many flights you want to take in a lifetime. This will help you decide what's really important. If this episode inspired you to rethink your flight budget, head over to the Footprint Editor and make your reduction goal official. See you in the next episode.